What if the most interesting part of Insta360's next camera is the part they refuse to show? Remember when Insta360's CEO teased that mystery device at the annual meeting? At the time, many of us thought it was tied to the Pocket 4 Pro. We were wrong. And today, we are clearing that up. Because what we are actually looking at appears to be something else entirely, possibly the long-rumored Insta360 LUNA. In this video, we are unpacking the original reveal, the confusing footage, the blurred hardware, and what the leaks really tell us about this camera. And trust me, once you connect the dots, the strategy starts to make sense. After the first teaser, new footage surfaced online. Cleaner, sharper, easier to analyze. But here's the twist. The camera body itself was deliberately blurred while being used. You can see someone operating it, you can see motion, you can see stabilization, but the hardware stays hidden. That is not accidental. That is controlled exposure. You know what's funny? It feels like they want to prove the camera works without letting us fully judge it. Smart marketing move? Absolutely. Frustrating? Also yes. And that tells us something important. This is not a random leak. It feels staged. Even without seeing the body, the footage reveals a lot, especially about the dual camera system. Portrait-style shots show impressive subject separation, not the typical small sensor look you get from compact action cameras. The depth looks almost cinematic, and that does not happen by accident. That points to either larger sensors, advanced computational processing, or both. Based on what has been shared, we're likely looking at a wide-angle primary module and a secondary telephoto module offering up to 3 times true optical zoom. That's a big shift for Insta360. This is not just about ultra-wide fun shots anymore. This is about versatility. And here's where the debate gets juicy. If modularity is part of LUNA's story, why isn't it not being showcased front and center? If I were marketing a modular system, I would lead with it, so maybe they're saving that reveal for later. Now let's talk numbers. If the circulating specs are accurate, we're looking at 4K up to 240 frames per second with 10-bit color. That's serious slow motion and grading flexibility. Stabilization reportedly comes from a 3-axis AI-powered gimbal with built-in auto-tracking and quick edit tools. Battery life is rumored around 180 minutes from a 1500 mAh cell with USB-C charging and a rotating touchscreen. Optional ND filters are also expected. On paper, it sounds great, but as we all know, specs are one thing, real-world performance is another, and we still haven't seen that full demo. Here's the part that really caught my attention, the dual processor system. Instead of raw sensor data going straight to the main processor, it first passes through a secondary pre-processing chip. This chip handles noise reduction, brightness balance, and shadow recovery before final image processing. Think of it like a pre-editor cleaning up your footage before the heavy grading even starts. There's also talk of a dedicated light sensor constantly analyzing the environment. In bright scenes, it keeps things efficient. In low light, it activates the full enhancement pipeline automatically. No toggling, no thinking, just seamless transitions. If that's true, this is less about hardware upgrades and more about computational intelligence. So what does all of this add up to? We have blurred hardware, clean demo footage, modular hints, dual processors, and serious video specs, but we still haven't seen that full, unfiltered, real-world review. That makes this feel less like a leak and more like a carefully staged rollout. Insta360 is showing us just enough to build anticipation without giving away the full picture. Now here's the big question. Is LUNA going to redefine compact hybrid cameras, or is this just clever marketing wrapped around incremental upgrades? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want more deep dives like this as new details surface, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what comes next.